Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Adams Polish's Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Alright, so this product has got me kind of excited. Adams Polishes has released a wheel and tire cleaner. This is an all-in-one formula, as you can see on the bottom here. It's got me excited because when you are cleaning wheels and tires, you always have to have a wheel cleaning product, a tire cleaning product, depending on how you like to do it or want to do it. Me personally, I like to get my tires as clean as possible and my wheels as clean as possible. So for me, that involves two different products, two different chemicals that I'm using. So this makes me really excited because it is one chemical, all-in-one cleaner to clean the tires and the wheels. I have reviewed a product like this, P&S Brake Buster. If you haven't seen that video, head back to my videos, check that one out. That is a product that I absolutely love. That product is the only product that I've been using lately for cleaning my wheels and tires. The product works really, really good. When I saw that Adams Polishes released this wheel and tire cleaner, I got really excited. I picked some up, so I want to use it and do a review for you guys. With the Adams Polishes wheel and tire cleaner, there's a few things on the label here that I'd like to go over real quick. It says Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner combines two cleaning processes into one, which is one thing that I really like. It is designed to make cleaning stubborn tires and caked up wheel contaminations a breeze with one chemical. The formula specifically targets neglected sidewalls and wheel surfaces to break down buildup. Safe on painted, powder-coated, clear-coated, and chrome wheels. High sudsing formula visually lifts dirt and grime from tire surface, so we will be checking that out as well. It says breaks down brake dust, road grime, and dirt on wheels. Immediately breaks down harsh tire blooming and dressings on contact. So sounds like it is a stronger chemical. You could probably dilute it, but we're going to be using it straight. The instructions for it is clean one wheel at a time, rinse wheels and tires thoroughly with a strong blast from the hose. You can use a hose. I'm going to be using my pressure washer today. 2. Spray the tire sidewall and wheel surface liberally with Adams all-in-one wheel and tire cleaner. 3. Scrub the tire sidewall with Adams tire brush and surfaces with Adams wheel brush and barrel brush. Do not allow product to dry onto surface of the wheel. So those are the wheel brushes that I have that I use. I also have an easy reach detail brush that I really like for the barrels of my wheels, so that's the brushes that I'll be using. Then it says 4. Rinse thoroughly with a strong blast from the hose. 5. Allow to air dry or dry with Adams air cannon. You don't have to use Adams air cannon. You can use a leaf blower or any other kind of an air cannon, air blaster to help dry them. We're going to let them air dry, then we'll come back in and check them out. And then there's a common sense warning. It says only clean wheels when they are cool to the touch. This is a heavy duty wheel and tire cleaner. If you are using this product for the first time, make sure to test it in an inconspicuous area first to ensure no unusual reactions or results occur. Avoid getting this product on raw anodized or polished aluminum wheels. It can cause hazing, cloudiness, or staining. So seeing what they're saying about raw aluminum, I would say that this is not a heavy acid wheel cleaner, but I would say that there is some kind of an acid in there because acids will stain, dull, anything like that on raw aluminum or polished aluminum wheels. So if you're going to use this on that, you're going to want to dilute it heavily. But personally, for me, when I do any kind of a raw aluminum or polished aluminum wheel, I like to always just use soap and water. That way I don't risk stripping off that polish or staining the wheels. But those are the directions on this Adams wheel and tire cleaner, what they're saying to do with it. So let's head out there, check out the wheel and tire that we're going to be cleaning. I'm going to rinse it down. I'm going to spray it on. Give you my thoughts on smells, suds, because it says that it's a high sudsing formula, and then we'll see the overall cleaning power of it, how it's just breaking down the dirt on the tire as they claim. So let's head out there and check that out. So here's the wheel and tire that we're going to be cleaning. As you can tell, the tire does have a lot of buildup on it. It is dirty. The wheel itself is dirty too. You can see in the barrel here is the easiest place to see. But the wheel is dirty, the tire is dirty, so I think this is going to be the perfect candidate. Plus it's a black painted wheel. That's going to show if it has left anything behind. And then we also have some polished surfaces here too. This isn't raw aluminum, it is powder coated and clear coated, so it is a coated wheel. I don't have to worry about that. But we're going to see how it does on the tire and the wheel. So let me get the camera set up. I'm going to rinse it down, spray this stuff on, start scrubbing it up, and see what I think about it. Now we've got the tire rinsed down. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer for when I'm scrubbing. Just had you back a bit. Didn't want to get my camera wet, but they say to spray quite a bit of this on. So I'm trying to find a stream that I like. There we go. I'm noticing spraying it on, it is not super thick, but it definitely is thicker. I do like that. That means it's going to be clinging onto the wheel, onto the tire, breaking down any of the road grime and contaminants that you've got on the wheel. So I'd say we have it coated really well right now. And it is doing a great job. I'm seeing it lifting a bunch of gunk off the tire. So let's come in closer and see that. So as you can see, the tire, there is some nasty brown stuff. And you can see it on the ground there. It is just pulling it off in the sidewalls of the tire, up around the bead. So it is definitely pulling some stuff off really nasty. No, it is not purple because it's an iron remover or breaking it down. That is just the color of it as you saw it in the bottle. You can see it is a fast working formula because it is pulling a lot of nasty stuff off. So let me put the camera back up here and get this thing scrubbed down. So I've just got clean water that I keep my brushes in. I always like to come in and get the barrels of my wheels first. I don't like seeing the barrels down in the wheel really dirty. So it is definitely foaming up really nice. I would say it is a high foaming product. I do like that. Like a lot of people, I always like a product that has a lot of foam. Suds up really nice, but really most of the time a lot of suds can or cannot mean anything. Some people like to argue about that. Me personally, I like to have more suds. It helps lift the dirt and the particles away, causing less chance of scratching the surface. Another thing I'm noticing too, that it is a high lubricity. It's got a lot of lubricity to it, so I also like that. It's very slick. As for smell, it's not really bad for a smell. Can't really smell a whole lot at all. We'll just come in with a brush with water. You can definitely see that lifting all that dirt off the tire. When you see your tires when you see your tires that dirty, sometimes you're gonna have to come in for a second cleaning. But we'll come in closer. You can see all this nasty stuff that it is still pulling off. You can see all the nasty suds. The wheel itself isn't real dirty inside, but let me go ahead and back the camera up and let's rinse this down. So we've now got it all rinsed down. The tire is starting to dry. I'm gonna let this air dry. I don't have anything really to blow it dry with, and I don't want to use a rag to dry it with, because if there is any dirt, it's going to potentially clean that surface and not give us a true surface to see how it has removed the dirt, how it is cleaned, how good its cleaning properties and agents are. So that's why I'm just going to let it air dry. So I'm just going to let it air dry, and I'm going to come back, show you guys how this looks, if it's done a good job, if it's left any streaking. But it's not bad on smell, and it has a lot of lubricity in it, and it also suds like crazy, as you could see when I was rinsing it off there. The tire is drying right now, and it is looking really nice. As you can see in some of these areas, it has got all the dirt pulled out of the tire, it's looking like, out of the rubber. The sidewalls on the lip here, that is dry. Those are very clean and nice looking, but the barrel is still wet inside the barrel, so we want to let that dry. We want to see how good the barrels are clean. As you can see, there is still some water in there, so let's let it dry and we'll come back to it. Okay, so it's pretty much air dried now. Come in and take a look at it. As you can still see, there is still some water in the tire, but for the most part, this rubber is very clean. There's nothing left in that rubber, any kind of contaminants. It looks really, really good. And hopefully, as you see as I'm going around, the shininess of the wheel, of this black painted wheel. So up in the barrels, very, very clean, very shiny, really good looking. We still have some water down here, but it has got everything. It is a great cleaner. We get into the spokes here, these little hard to reach areas that are always really hard to clean. It has done a fantastic job cleaning that. I would say that it is a very powerful formula. The cleaning power of this stuff is awesome. You can see this reflection in the barrel. That barrel is dry right here. It is clean. So it has done a fantastic job. That barrel looks just like the lip, the bead of this rim right here. Extremely clean. This tire, very, very clean. We still have some water in the lettering, but the rubber doesn't have any of that nasty gunk still stuck in it. I am overall really, really happy and excited for this product. It has done such a great job of cleaning this wheel and tire. One chemical for the wheel and tire to get it that clean, looking that good. It is ready for a tire dressing once that little bit of water dries up, but it has done such a great job. So overall, very happy with this product. Very excited for this product, and it is going to be going into my arsenal of cleaning products along with my P&S Brake Buster. Both of these very solid options, great cleaning power, and it does an amazing job. All right, so there is the Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner reviewed for you guys. Awesome product. I'm really, really excited about this product. It works so good, does as claimed. I love the lubricity in this formula. I feel that it is got great lubricity in it. Really probably one of the highest lubricities out of wheel and tire cleaners that I've used. Tire, I really don't care. For my wheels, since they're painted, I do care about the lubricity. I love the suds that it produces to help lift that dirt from the surface, so you're not just scrubbing it into the paint, scratching it, making the wheel look horrible over a long time of just cleaning it all the time. So the lubricity and the suds of this stuff is really, really good. I like it a lot. The cleaning power is amazing. Did absolutely awesome on the tires, did awesome on the wheels. Seeing how great the cleaning power of this product is truly makes me believe diluting this will be no problem at all. It's something I'm going to be experimenting with, seeing dilution ratios. If you have been diluting this product, drop in the comments below of what's been working best for you, because I would like to know as well. But overall, definitely a 2 thumbs up product. Works super, super good. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think, how you thought the cleaning power or anything about this product. Drop in the comments below. If you got a question about it, also drop in the comments below. I love to see your guys' comments. Love interacting with you. But for me, overall, 100% great product. 2 thumbs up product. Will be using it a lot, constantly. So like I said, I'll be using this and my P&S Brake Buster. Those 2 products for me work absolutely awesome. They do everything I want it to do without having to use 2 products for cleaning the tires and cleaning the wheels. It's just one product, makes it very, very easy, very simple, with great results. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it informative. Maybe this is a product you've tried, maybe you haven't. Definitely throw that in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried this, if you haven't, if you have any questions, how you thought it did. Just let me know what you think. Love interacting with you guys like I mentioned earlier. But thank you all so much for stopping in and checking out this video. Remember to smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you do not miss a future upload of mine. And I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.